Solving one-step equations. We look at our first question and we see we have x plus 8 is equal to 12. We remember that x is an unknown number, and in order to solve an equation we must do the opposite operation. So instead of plus 8 we must minus 8. So we have x plus 8 minus 8, and we must also do the same thing to both sides. So we will have 12 minus 8. So we have subtracted 8 from both sides of the equation. 8 take away 8 is 0, so now we have x plus 0 is equal to 12 take away 8, which is 4. And 0 is nothing, so x is equal to 4. If we substitute x back into the equation, we will now have 4. So we substitute an x back into the equation, we will have 4 plus 8 is indeed equal to 12, so we know we are correct. Moving on to the second question, we have m subtract 7 is equal to 14. We have to do the opposite of subtract 7, which is add 7. And we have to do the same thing to both sides. So we will also add 7 on the other side. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So now we have m plus 0 is equal to 14 plus 7, which is 21. So m is equal to 21. We substitute 21 for m in the equation to check our answer. We'll have 21 subtract 7 and we will get 14. For the other question, 10k is equal to 200. This is 10 multiplied by k equals 200. The opposite of multiply is divide. And so we will divide 10k by 10 because we want to get rid of the 10. That is equal to 200 divided by 10. Remember, we must do the same thing to both sides. Now we want to cancel. So 10 into 10, 1, and 10 into 10, 1. 10 into 10, 1. 10 into 200 is 20. So our final answer is k equals 20. And if we substitute 20 for k, we will have 10 times 20, which is 200. So our answer is correct. Last question, we have y divided by 4 is equal to negative 11. What we have to do is multiply both sides by 4 in order to cancel the 4, because the opposite of divide is multiply. So we multiply y over 4 times 4 over 1 equal to negative 11 times 4. We now cancel. So we have 4 into 4, 1, and 4 into 4, 1. And now we have y equals 11 fours are 44, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So we have negative 44. If we substitute negative 44 for y, to check our answer, we'll have 4 into 44 is 11, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So we know that our answer is correct. Thanks for watching.